everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to share stir-fry chicken with broccoli and mushrooms. This is easy and healthy version of your favorite dish. So let's get started. Here I have 300 grams of boneless skinless chicken thighs. Cut them into equal size pieces. They will cook more evenly, or you can use chicken breast if you wish. First marinate the chicken. I'm adding a little bit of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 egg white. Mix everything. I'm going to leave this to marinate for 30 to 40 minutes. Now put this in the fridge. Next, I'm going to make stir-fry sauce. First, I'm going to grate in 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger. I have 150 milliliters of chicken stock, or if you want to, you can use vegetable stock or water. I'm serving this dish with some rice, so I want a lot of sauce to go along with it. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of brown sugar, some black pepper, and a little bit of paprika. Mixed all that together. Then set it aside. Here 1 teaspoon of corn flour, add in 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. This will help to thicken the sauce. I got thinly sliced 200 grams of chestnut mushrooms, 1 big onion, cut them into medium chunks. And lastly, 200 grams of broccoli, cut them into small size florets. The cooking time very fast and I have all the ingredients ready to cook. First, I'm going to fry the chicken. Add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil into the pan. When it's hot, add seasoned chicken in a single layer. And let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes to get a good sear on the first side. Then stir and continue to fry for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Now transfer the chicken into the separate plate. Into the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Keep the pan really hot. Add broccoli. Cook for about 2 minutes. It's sort of roasted broccoli. This is going to taste really good. Now add onions. Fry the onions about a minute. Then mushrooms. Continue cooking and stir in constantly for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender. Now ready to add sauce. Give the sauce quick stir before adding it to the pan. Now simmer the sauce for another 3 minutes and the ginger garlic have mellowed out in flavor. I want to thicken the sauce. Just add in my corn flour mixture, about 1 tablespoon at a time. And keep stirring. You will see the sauce has thickened up and it won't take long. It takes about 10 to 20 seconds. I am not going to add any salt because of the sauce has saltiness. Now return the cooked chicken back to the pan. Pop that straight in. Just stir about 1 to 2 minutes or until the chicken is warm through. Once the sauce is thickened and everything coated with the sauce, it's done. Now turn off the heat. That's looking fabulous and time to serve. As you can see, I did not use a lot of oil for cooking and it came out so delicious. It's easy, healthy and cheaper and lots better than takeaway. Give it a try. I know you're going to like it. It doesn't take too long to cook. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Now time to taste. Little bit of everything. Absolutely delicious. I like the juiciness of the chicken and everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.